How to fix Shopee voucher error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Shopee voucher error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So you get this error whenever you're on the Shopee app. I do not have the app due to regional problems and regional availability. So I'll just show you guys how you can fix it. So after you're on the app and whenever you try to type in the voucher for the Shopee, it does not work and gives you an error called error M02. So if you want to fix that, what you'll have to do is you will need to clear out the cache for Shopee. For that, head over to the app section. First, head over to the settings, head over to general, and after you're on general, you will need to head over to iPhone storage. After you're on the iPhone storage, you will simply need to scroll down until you find the Shopee app. After you find the Shopee app, what you'll then need to do is simply tap on the Shopee app and then offload the app. After you offload the app, the cache will get cleared and then you will just have to reinstall the app. After you reinstall the app, you can head back and just open up your Shopee again and it should fix the issue. If that does not work, what you can do is you can try logging out and log back in again with your account. And after you do that, just wait for a few hours. If there is a problem in their server side, that should get fixed. And after a few hours, you should be able to use the voucher. And yeah, that is how you fix Shopee voucher error M02. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.